Online learning has exploded in recent years, but not all courses deliver real value. Too many webinars still rely on outdated formats that fail to engage participants. Today, I want to share how online courses can be transformed into meaningful, interactive experiences. This is Dr. Martin Baxman with the Lean Orthodontics podcast. Since the pandemic, online courses, webinars, and virtual meetings have become part of everyday life. I've attended many myself, from Facebook and YouTube live streams to traditional webinars. What struck me most is that many still rely on the same old PowerPoint marathons, slides packed with text, read aloud in a monotone voice with little interaction or visual appeal. It's no wonder participants lose interest quickly. The truth is, online education competes with professional video platforms, streaming services, and social media. If a webinar doesn't capture attention, people will simply tune out. That's why entertainment, interactivity, and strong visuals are essential. Our attention spans are short, and we are highly image-oriented. Big headlines, clear graphics, and engaging delivery are what keep us watching. When I began offering online courses, I quickly realized that simply sharing slides wasn't enough. Feedback confirmed that participants wanted more. Over time, I developed formats that included camera changes, interactive discussions, and structured content that mirrored the energy of in-person courses. Recently, I even held an 8-hour live seminar. While I wondered if it would be too long, the positive feedback proved that with the right structure, even extended sessions can be engaging and effective. This approach isn't limited to professional training. Practices can use webinars to educate patients as well. In the past, patient education often involved in-person lectures or meetups. Today, a well-prepared online session can introduce patients to treatment options, answer questions, and build trust before they even step into the practice. It's a powerful way to extend reach and strengthen relationships. Of course, online consultations raise questions about regulations and presence requirements, but for patient education, webinars are an excellent tool. They allow practices to share knowledge, demonstrate expertise, and connect with patients in a modern, accessible way. For colleagues, I also recommend exploring interactive formats like my lunchtime lectures. Inspired by my time studying in London, these sessions are short, focused, and highly interactive. Every other Monday, participants join live for 45 minutes of discussion, questions, and shared learning. It's a relaxed format that combines professional development with community, and it's proven to be both enjoyable and effective. So, whether you're designing courses for colleagues or webinars for patients, remember this: online learning must go beyond slides. It should be interactive, visually engaging, and structured to hold attention. When done well, it not only educates, but also inspires. Thank you for listening to the Lean Orthodontics podcast with Dr. Martin Baxman. I hope today's insights help you in your practice and inspire you to keep improving step by step. Stay lean, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next episode.